Om Sri Gurupyo Namaha. Hare Guruvayurappa Charanam. Narayaniyam Dasaga 73, that is Bhagavan's departure to Mathura. This Dasaga is based on Srimad Bhagavata Dashamam chapters 39 and 40 and first three verses of 41 too. In the earlier video, which was Dasakam 72 of Narayaniyam, we saw that Akrura arrived in Gokulam to take Sri Krishna and Balrama along with Nandagopa and family to Mathura as instructed by Kamsa. Now, Akrura rose early and got ready the chariot. Nanda had announced earlier that all able-bodied men should get ready to go to Mathura with the annual tribute of ghee and curds. Now, they were also ready with their bullock carts. The gopis, seeing all this, felt sad. Oh sisters, Krishna is leaving. He may not return. How can we forgo the sight of Krishna's radiant face and smile, which can remove the sufferings of the world? The chariot is leaving with Krishna and Rama. Our elders are keeping quiet. Will we see them again? And unable to control their feelings, they sobbed aloud. Krishna observed this and said, Dear gopis, you will be always dearest to me. I shall come again. The gopis continued to look at the fast receding chariot till they were seen no more and returned with a heavy heart. Akrura then guided the chariot towards Mathura along the road parallel to river Yamuna. After driving for some time, he parked it in a shady grove. They drank the water from Yamuna. Krishna and Balrama were seated on the chariot, and Akrura went to the river for a ceremonial bath. He repeated the Gayatri mantra, meditated on God, and immersed himself in the river. Akrura had a splendid vision. He saw the great coiled serpent Adishesha with 1,000 hoods sparkling with jewels, and Vishnu taking rest under the hood. Wearing golden silk garments and a jeweled crown, he was beyond description. Around him were Brahma, Shiva, the seven sages, the deities representing the Siddhis, Sri Devi and Mahamaya. Maharshis Sri Narada and Tumburu were there playing on the veena. Vishnu and Adishesha looked very much like Krishna and Balrama. Akrura was stunned. Was it an illusion? How could Krishna and Balrama come underwater? He rose from the water and looked at the bank. No, they were there. He immersed once again. Again he saw them as Vishnu and Adishesha. It was now very clear to him. These two youths were actually Mahavishnu, Lord of the universe, and Adishesha, his companion. We will be seeing slokas of this from Narayaniyam now. Nichamayya tavadhayanvartam Vrishamartaha pashupala balikastaha Kimidam kadam nitimaha Samavedaha paridevidanya kurvan. Then, hearing the news of the impending departure, the cowherd girls were very much saddened. They gathered together and lamented, saying, What is this? How and why is this happening? Karunanidhireshanandasunuhu kadamasman visrijedananyanathah Badanakkimudaivamevamasīd iditastwadgadamanasa vilebuhu. The abode of compassion, Nanda's son, Krishna, how can he forsake us, who have no other support except him? Alas, what kind of fate do we have? The girls with their hearts fixed on thee bemoaned. चरमप्रहरे प्रतिष्ठमानः सह पित्रा निजमित्रमण्डलैश्च परितापपरं निदम्बिनीनां शमयिष्यन् विमुच सखायमेघम्. Though were to leave with thy father and a group of his friends in the last lap of the night, thou send one of thy companions to the beautiful Gopikas who were very sorrowful to assuage their grief. Achiradupayami sannidhimbo bhavida sadhumayaiva sangamashrihi Amridambunidho nimajjayishye drudamityashvasida mathuragashihi. I shall come back near you very soon. You will have many more and happy meetings with me. I will soon immerse you in the nectar of bliss ocean. Thus, thou gave consolations to the girls. सविषादपरं सयाञ्जमुच्चैः अधिदूरं वनिताभिरीक्ष्यमाणः मृदुतद्दिशि पादयन्नभाङ्गान् सबलो अक्रूररथेन निर्गतो भूः. The women followed thee till far, loudly and piteously begging and gazing with entreating eyes. Though cast soft sidelong glances in that direction and departed with Balrama in Akrura's chariot. Anasa bakulena vallavanam manasa chanugadota vallabhanam vanamartra mrigam vishanna vriksham samadido yamuna tadimayasihi. Many carts with Gopas followed thee, as also the minds and thoughts of Gopikas. Thou crossed the forest with sorrowful animals and sad trees and reached the banks of the Yamuna river. Niyamaya nimajya varini tvam abhivikshyadarathe vigandineyaha vibhashojanikim nidam vibhoste nanuchitram tavaloganam samandade. Akrura, the son of Gandhini, was bathing in the waters of the river to perform his daily duties. He saw thee in the water and also saw thee on the chariot. He was overwhelmed with wonder and became helpless as to what it all was. But is there any wonder in thy being seen from everywhere as though are omnipresent? Hari Guruvayurappa. Punaresha nimajya punyashali purusham tvam paramam bhujanga bhoge arigambuga dambuja isfurandam surasindhauga paridamaluloge. Akrura again took a dip in the water. The meritorious and fortunate man that he was, he saw thee, the supreme being, reclining on the Shesha serpent's body bed, resplendent and adorned with the discus, conch, mace, and lotus. Thou were surrounded by groups of gods and various siddhas. Sadada Paramatma Saukya Sindhu Vinimagna Pranuvan Pragara Bhedaihi Avilokya Punascha Harsha Sindho Anuvritya Pulagavrudo Yayautvam. He was then immersed in the ocean of supreme bliss and sang the praises unto thy Saguna and Nirguna forms. Even as thy vision disappeared, he continued to experience the unlimited bliss, and with horripilations all over his body, he went to thee. Kimu Shidalima Mahanjale Yade Pulago Savidicoditena Tena Adiharsha Niruttarena Sardam Rathavasi Pavanesha Pahimam Tvam. Though asked him if the water was so cold that he had horripilation on his body, as if not knowing the cause. Akrura was speechless because he was immersed in extreme bliss. Though sitting with him on the chariot, Hare Guruvairappa, do save me. With this sloka, we have completed the chapter 73. And to conclude this video, we will listen to Sati Suresh's bhajan song.
ಕಂಡು ಕಂಡು ನೀಯನ್ನ ಕೈಬಿಡುವರೇ ಪುಂಡರೀಕಾಕ್ಷ ಪುರುಷೋತ್ತಮ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕಂಡು ಕಂಡು ನೀಯನ್ನ ಬಂಧುಗಳು ಎನಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬದುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಖವಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಂದೆಯಲಿ ನೊಂದೇ ನೈನೀರಜಾಕ್ಷ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಯು ನೀನೇ ಬಂಧು ಬಳಗವು ನೀನೇ ಎಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ ನಿನ್ನ ನಂಬಿದೆನು ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕಂಡು ಕಂಡು ನೀಯನ್ನ ಕೈಬಿಡುವರೇ ಪುಂಡರೀಕಾಕ್ಷ ಪುರುಷೋತ್ತಮ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕಂಡು ಕಂಡು